Good morning. It is the morning of Peace, Love, and Vans, and we are going to meet up with a group that I met a while back, Florida van gatherings, because we're gonna go with them as a big group into Peace, Love, and Vans. So let's go meet up with them. We made it to our meeting point where we're gonna meet with everybody from Florida van gatherings, and then we're gonna be going over to Peace, Love, and Vans. Hi, Tracy.
Hey, what's up, friend?
A few of the vans parked here. And this is just a baseball field is all behind us, and this was a good place where we could get together, get everybody lined up before we head into Peace, Love, and Vans. All right, we're ready. We're off to Peace, Love, and Vans. Let's go have a fun weekend. All right, here we are. We're just getting kind of pulled in. Now we just kind of got to wait to get in. A whole line of vans behind us too. Look at this line of vans all along here. Holy buckets, there's all kinds of vans here. This is gonna be so much fun. Here's some of the other vans as we're waiting to get in to Peace, Love, and Vans. Check out these bad to the bone storyteller sprinters. These things are so sweet. They got an awesome lift kit on them underneath here. Heavy duty springs. These things are awesome. What a cool van. Look at that, we made it inside. Just gonna get around to find ourselves where we can camp for the weekend. Well, we have everything set up here at Peace, Love, and Vans. I got the awning set up, have the solar panel set up, have all the screens put on the car. Little view of how we have everything set up at my little camp for the weekend. Screens on the windows, the awning set up, my chair, e-bike. We're set for a long weekend. Let's have a look from the air and see some of the vans early on as everyone is still getting set up. Later on in the video, there'll be more drone footage. But now, let's take a look around at some of the vans, hop on the e-bike, and go for a little bike ride. Check out this guy's setup. Now that's what you call some serious solar power. That's awesome. For our first day at Peace, Love, and Vans, this has been a lot of fun. It's starting to get dark. The sun's going down. You can see behind me. You can probably hear some of the music that's starting to go on. Go enjoy a little bit of music. Look at that sunset. How beautiful is that?
She's got a scooter, look.
Such a great...
Oh, she does have a bum leg. But at least she's still at Peace, Love, and Vans having fun.
Stop stopping me.
Oh, you can't see it very well. We're gonna go in and check out the Tiki Lounge.
We look so cute.
The Leafy Lounge.
Leafy Lounge.
The Leafy Lounge.
See the building here. This piece tell with me. You wanna believe what I've been
Good morning from Peace, Love, and Vans, day 2. It's gonna be a beautiful day, isn't it, Goldie? Yes, it is. It's gonna be a beautiful day on Peace, Love, and Vans. We're gonna have so much fun today. Super excited. The sun's just starting to come up. It's going to be a glorious day. People are just starting to start their day as well, getting up, moving, and most importantly, getting that first cup of coffee.
Hi guys, my name's Sarah and this is the van, the Jellyfish. Let me kind of give you a quick walkthrough of her. Get some of this out of the way for you. Built myself a nice little outdoor
That's
table.
pretty handy, folding like
It
that.
saves a ton of space like that because it felt like such wasted space. I got to put these and the racks up on the other side, but that felt kind of like a waste to not have some sort of outdoor workspace when it's such a tiny normal van.
Oh, absolutely. That's really nice.
Yeah, let's come on in.
Let's go inside and take a peek at this hot rod Chevy van.
Hot Rod G20. So I've got myself the normal 6-gallon Garrafin set up with a little electric water pump, battery powered as well. I don't remember how many amp hours, but I've got a solar setup on top of about 100 watts, give or take, and a deep cell marine battery down here. So
Okay.
typically more than enough to get me through a few days with 12-volt fridge, general electronics.
I do think that is about like the same one I have, that fridge.
I think
yeah,
it is. Yeah,
I
it
think
looks
so.
exactly the same.
Great. And how big is your inverter?
The inverter's 1,000 watts.
Okay. And
So I could run a small AC for a little bit if I really had to, but
do you ever find that you don't have enough power with the 1,000 watts where you wish you had more?
I don't find that I need more wattage. I feel like I need more solar to keep, I need another battery for
Yep.
sure, and more solar to keep it up. Because on days like today where I'm pulling, I think it was 20 watts or something earlier when it was a little bit darker, it will, just that fridge, because the refrigerant, the actual refrigeration draws so much energy, it will eventually kill the battery that's in there over maybe 2 days.
Okay.
If I'm not getting any actual input. I have a bunch of tech in here. Like I've got gaming systems, work laptops, all of that. So I've got USB ports set up on the side.
Oh, wonderful.
2.4 amp, and then LED lights up on top. And then a full size bed. with-
Oh, that's the best part,
I
the big
know,
bed.
Right? And a metric shit ton of storage
Oh,
underneath.
you have all kinds of storage. Look at all that storage under there. That's wonderful.
Clothes, bottle jack, air pump, jump cables.
All the important
Independent
things.
jumper. Yeah, all the stuff that if I get lost out in the middle of nowhere, I at least have something to keep me moving.
That's wonderful. I want to look around back here. And you have this nice screened in. That's super nice. No, I know before we started you had a screen on the side of the door there too.
Yeah.
That's
just
super
overhanging
handy.
Ones that fit perfectly and keep the bugs out and some of the light too.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
And then do you have any social media or anything that you would like to share with anybody?
Yeah, absolutely. So my main profile is Dive Your Dream. I'm also a professional scuba diver. So I've done a lot of bouncing around in Florida with this guy and just a lot of travel and scuba diving in general. So that's kind of been the content I've played with.
Wonderful. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate you showing your van with us.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Here comes Jess with the ticket number. Stand by. Remember your panache, guys. Remember the panache. And the winner is 5, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4.
Good morning from Peace Loving Vans. This is day 3. Day 2 was an awesome time. Met some amazing van lifers, some awesome nomads. What a wonderful, wonderful community this is to be a part of. We're going to get the day started, have some coffee, make sure you hang around. We're going to have another awesome day at Peace Loving Vans.
go, go, go. Gonna miss your baby from rolling. He needs protection. Oh, and stand by me. I see your love.
That, my friends, is a wrap on VanFest 2025, and what an amazing time this was coming here with all these like-minded van life individuals. And if you are looking for something that involves van life or camping or RVing, make sure next year you come on out to Peace Loving Vans and check it out. It is an awesome time. You will not regret it. I certainly appreciate you watching, following along as we explored around VanFest this week, and it was so much fun. Thank you guys very much. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Goldie, she's wore out for Peace Loving Vans. Thank you, everyone at Peace Loving Vans, all the wonderful people that Goldie and I had a chance to meet. We had so much fun. It was absolute blast. Thank you so much. Peace out. Until next time.